guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Brian again on your screen, and before anything else, if you're new here on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video and hit the notification bell for the updates of my upcoming videos. So what's up? Okay guys, today is October 27, 2021. So it's around like 6:30 in the morning. So I woke up early because today is my driving lessons computer test for my driver's license. So let's see what's going on today. So I have no idea too. So have fun while watching, okay? Goodbye for now.
Here. This.
Stock only pala doon yung isa. Okay, so right now guys, we got here in this the office of the Safe Drive driving school, and when we arrive here, we give our passport, and then we just we're log in, and then we're here in the third floor of this Safe Drive driving school, and I think, as you can see, this one. So I think we're going to watch a lot of videos for this, as far as I know. So let's see what's going on, guys. Okay. Okay guys, so right now we're having our lunch. Now we're waiting for our orders, and we're done about the almost 4 hours of watching videos about the rules and regulations here in Thailand, especially driving lessons and the things that we need to, for the do's and don'ts we need to follow now. So yeah, that's it. So let's eat together. We ordered already, and now we're waiting for our food. Come on, that's it. Okay, we're done with our lunch, and now we back here in the examination room with Ate Lourdes is there. So I think the computers are ready for the examination, so we'll wait until 1:30 for the time for the examination. So let's see guys if we pass. So hey guys, I'm done with my computer test now for the driving lesson. And yeah, congratulations to me because I passed the exam. Thank you so much. And let's get, it's very easy, don't you worry. If you will, I know that why you are here, because you want to have a driver's license also now, by having this driving school. But don't you worry, it's easy for me now, it's easy, but you have to be confident also. Try to analyze everything, understand about the questions. But no, I know you can do it, okay? So, hey guys, what's up? I'm so happy because I got my certificate here in the driving school, and I got this one. So next is my driver's license. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next vlog. Okay, bye.